This is a constitutional law case involving the appellants who were two life sentence prisoners. They were convicted of terrorist offences. They were segregated from other prisoners before the decision was made to take them to another prison. The transfer was necessary because they were intimidating other prisoners to change their faith to their version of Islam. The issue was whether the segregation was lawful. The Supreme Court held that under the Prison Rules 1999, the segregation was lawful for 72 hours, and for the time more than that, it could only be possible with the permission of the Secretary of State. Therefore, the appellant segregation for more than 72 hours was unlawful. Lord Reed provided the main judgment. Under the Cartona principle, a decision of a departmental official is constitutionally the decision of the minister himself. His lordship went on to argue that the relationship between governors and other prison officers and the Secretary of State is subject of specific legislation. This is not readily reconciled with the idea that prison governors and other officers are constitutionally indistinguishable from the Secretary of State. The relationship between the governor or his officers and the Secretary of State does not resemble the relationship between the governor and his officials. As a result, the Cartona principle could not apply to the Rule 45 so as to enable the governor to take the decision on the Secretary of State's behalf.